Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest number that must be added to 267 to get a perfect square? Okay. Here we have given the number 267. Now, near to 267, there is a 289, which is a perfect square of 17 and greater than 267. If we take a square root on both the sides, we get 17 is greater than square root of 267. And less than 267, there is a number 256. If we take a square root on both the sides, we get 16 is less than square root of 267. Therefore, 289 is the perfect square nearest to 267. Therefore, 289 minus 267 means 22 is the number to be added hence 22 is the least number or the smallest number that must be added to 267 added to 267 to make it a perfect square.